I have a 2006 Mercedes ML350 here. The customer was complaining about a lot of vibrations coming from the engine. It did have a cylinder 6 misfire. I did go ahead and run a power balance test, swapped around the coils from 5 to 6. I believe this is 5, if I'm not mistaken. But cylinders, this cylinder to that cylinder and this cylinder to this cylinder. The issue did persist on cylinder number 6. After that, I pulled the plugs, I ran a compression test, and there's no compression. So for my procedure for the compression test is I disabled fuel, which for this vehicle, the fuel relay would be back here. Just get this guy, pulled it out of there, and disabled the fuel. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it some cranks. I want to do 4 cranks. All right. And as you can see, nothing, zero, no compression at all. And then I'm gonna show you guys this cylinder just so you can see that where this guy is. And if there was a blown head gasket, maybe somewhere between here, this cylinder would be low on compression too, but that was not the case. And let me just show you guys right now. Another reason why I thought the coils were failing was because this spark plug came out of this working cylinder, and this spark plug came out of the cylinder number 6 where the issue was. So naturally I thought that it was going to be the ignition coils. But after running the compression test, that was not the case, and let me show you that right now. So I'm going to run this test on the good cylinder. So we're going to give this a crank. And as you can see, it's a little bit over 180. Which is pretty good compression. So yeah, I think it'll be safe to deem this engine as no good. Although there could be other issues with maybe a leaky valve that's causing the compression to escape as well. This engine does have about 70,000 miles. So yeah, I think this engine would be deemed no good, and we would have to advise the owner whether to get it rebuilt or find a new engine, or maybe just even get rid of the vehicle completely. It'll be up to them. But as far as this, the engine is no good at cylinder number 6, and that'll be it. Thank you.